Okay, so first, to solve for a variable, let me make it a little bit larger. Sorry. Yeah, it's better. All right. First thing I always love to do is draw a line down the equal sign. All right. And then we have to find our variables. So we got v over here. Okay. So we want to get all of the numbers away from v in this case. And it's what we call isolating the variable. And the way that we isolate the variable is by doing the inverse operations to free it from our constants and our coefficients. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is recognize, hey, I'm subtracting 10 from v. The inverse of subtracting 10 is adding 10. And since we're adding 10 to the left side, we're also going to add 10 to the right side. By doing the inverse operation, we will cancel out negative 10 and positive 10 because negative 10 plus 10 equals 0. So here we'll have v is equal to 8 plus 10, and that's 18. All right. Next problem. All right. So here we have 4w equals 68. We want to solve for w, so we need to isolate our variable. The opposite of multiplying 4 times w, or 4w, the opposite of multiplication is division. Okay, so I'm going to use a fraction bar to show my division. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Okay. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 1w is the same as saying regular old w. And then here we have 68 divided by 4. I'll do the work up here. 4 goes into 6 one time. 4 goes into 28 7 times. So our answer will be 17. Next problem, we're going to solve for h. So we need to isolate h by doing the inverse operation. Okay, so here h fraction bar 7. That's the same as saying h divided by 7. So the opposite of division is multiplication. And I'm just going to do a dot to denote multiplication. All right, so when we multiply by the divisor, we will be left with 1h. Okay, it'll just kind of cancel out that divided by 7. 10 times 7 equals 70. Okay, the next problem. Solve for j. All right, again, I'm going to draw my line down my equal sign. That's just to remind me that I need to do everything that I do to the left side of the equal sign to the right side of the equal sign. All right, so plus a minus negative 836. I'm going to turn plus a minus into j minus 836 because adding a negative is the same as subtracting. All right. The opposite of subtracting is adding. So I'm going to add 836 to both sides. Okay. That'll leave me with j is equal to, so here we have negative 80 plus 836. Whoa, that's a big number. All right. So here, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. All right, so we're going to have to subtract. 836 minus 80. Here, 6 minus 0 is 6. We're going to borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5. And then 7. All right, so here we have 756. And it's a positive number because keep the sign of the larger number. I'm going to go through these next ones fast, okay? So here, line down the equals. We're subtracting 11 from j, so we'll add 11 to both sides. That'll cancel it out. We're left with j is equal to 15. Next problem. All right. 18z equals 918. All right. Going to divide both sides by 18. Left with z is equal to negative 918 divided by 18.